Assalamu alaikum. Jumma mubarak to all of you. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing fantastic. I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. After performing Jumma prayer, I am making this video only for educational purpose. You know, today is the Friday. This is the Jumma day. It is called that it is the Eid day for Muslim Ummah, the Muslim community, and many Muslims who do proper prayer, they feel very happy inside their heart, and they get prepared today. And I'm also be happy to perform this Jumma Salat. And not only Jumma, but also all the Farz Salah that's are obligatory for every Muslim should perform. You know, every day 5 waqto means 5 times are the obligatory Salah, the prayer the Muslim should perform. Allah says in the glorious Quran, who don't obey this, they should be punished. Allah will give punishment if we don't follow these rules. So every Muslim should perform Salat. So we should try our best to perform every waqt Salat, every time Salat. So bye bye.